When the lights go out, when cell phone towers fall silent, when no service flashes across your screen, who will you call? When disaster strikes, the world doesn't turn to Facebook or TikTok. It turns to us, the hams, the last line of communication when everything else fails. Let's talk about it. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Hope you're having a great day here. Today's video is brought to you by Gigaparts. Gigaparts is your number one source for all ham radio items, whether it's coax or radios, transceivers, antennas, all that kind of stuff. Gigaparts has it, but they also have maker supplies, computer stuff, astronomy stuff. Folks, it's really endless. Go check out my friends at Gigaparts. If you're in the Huntsville, Alabama area, they have a store on University Avenue. That's a must-see if you're around Huntsville, University Avenue, or you can check them out anywhere in the world at www.gigaparts.com. And when you use my code HamShackTV at checkout, you're going to get double rewards points. Guys, those stack up really quickly. And there are certain items, such as ICOM and Kenwood and Yaesu transceivers, you'll get quadruple points for. So use my coupon code HamShackTV at checkout and get your double points. That's gigaparts.com. We appreciate their support of HamShackTV. We built a world completely dependent on convenience, smart homes, cloud backups, GPS navigation. But when a tornado tears through your town or a hurricane hits the coast, all of those conveniences disappear. Every time we see the same story, people cut off, 911 overloaded, agencies scrambling to communicate. And there's one group that never went dark. That's the hams. Amateur radio has always been part of a quiet safety net of our society. When cell phone towers fell during Hurricane Helene, when the power grid collapses in Puerto Rico, when wildfires destroyed fiber lines in California, ham operators were there, linking hospitals, emergency centers, and shelters. No subscriptions, no signal bars, no infrastructure, just skill, discipline, and a microphone. That's what makes ham radio so special. It isn't the technology, though. It's the people. The Skywarn spotters calling in funnel clouds while others run for cover. The volunteers relaying shelter requests through static. The net control who stays on frequency for 18 hours straight just to keep others safe. It's not about the hobby anymore. It's about responsibility. Somewhere along the line, the world forgot about radio. They think it's outdated, like rotary phones or fax machines. But every time the internet goes down, who do emergency managers call? They call us. Ham radio isn't a backup plan. It's the only plan when everything else fails. When disaster strikes, every voice on the air matters, because sometimes that voice is the difference between rescue and silence. But here's the truth. If we don't protect and grow this hobby, that lifeline could disappear. Fewer trained operators means fewer emergency nets. Fewer clubs means fewer Skywarn volunteers. The next time a hurricane or flood hits, the next question won't be, who will you call? It'll be, is there anyone left to answer? So to every ham out there, stay trained, stay ready, and stay on the air. And if you're watching this and you're not licensed yet, this is your invitation, because someday someone will need you. I'm Josh, AA4WX, and when disaster strikes, I'll be listening. Live, learn, and transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Folks, I can't appreciate you enough. Y'all have been great. We've had a lot of growth on the channel in the past week. Trying out some new strategies here, so it seems to be working quite nicely. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you being here. Also, if you are looking to get your ham radio license, look no further than hamradioprep.com. HamRadioPrep.com. They're so confident they can help you get your technician license or your upgrade to your general or extra. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details. That's HamRadioPrep.com. And I've got a coupon code for you, 10% off if you use the coupon code HamShackTV at HamRadioPrep.com. We appreciate their support of HamShackTV. Guys, again, I can't say enough about the growth the past week. Y'all have been great to see. Lots of new names in the comments. Please jump in the comments if you have concerns, questions, or comments. I'm happy to listen. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate you. 73 AA4 WX WSCB 690.